Crystal Seafood Restaurant is one of Toronto's most popular Caribbean restaurants. We have a great Caribbean fusion menu that includes pasta linguine, shrimp roti, jerk chicken pasta. They also cater private events, birthday parties, and call staff. 416-656-6632 or online at crystalrestaurant.ca.
Given the task of playing something for our teachers together.
Right, but shopping is kind of a girl thing, don't you think?
Oh, please, that's so not PC.
Gender profiling. No, this can't be. What is it to hear them lie? Give it to you is what they cry. It's so hard to hear them howl. I don't want it is what they shout.
Hey, Officer Paul, what's going on in the middle of the mall? Give me up.
Tits, gifts? Are you kidding me? Sounds like sissy things. I'd rather have chicken nuggets or a London makeup mirror. Well, let's at least go check it out.
Here we go.
Hope you guys find something. Remember,
So the play's called the Christmas Giveaway, and basically these kids are at a mall, and they're shopping for a gift for their teacher, and they find that they've gathered all this money and they're trying to find the perfect gift, and they end up at this shop called Tiff's Gifts, and which just happens to be Mr. Lancaster's wife, but they don't know that, and Tiff tries to direct them, rather than buying him the perfect present, than giving him the perfect presents, which would be just loving others and spreading joy to the world. And so they have this tree that has all these needs on it from the community, like someone needs a babysitter, a single mom needs a babysitter, an elderly gentleman needs his driveway shoveled. And so they end up realizing that the best way to really bless Mr. Lancaster and give him the perfect present would be to just love others, because that's where his heart is. So the kids have been practicing together about an hour each week, Sunday mornings from 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. They had two dress rehearsals, and then we invite them to, and we ask parents to work with them throughout the week, regularly working on their solos and working on their drama. So it was a good cast this year. We try to always pick different kids and let different kids have the lead parts. And the cast this year, we had some surprises. We didn't ever know that they could act or that they were willing to memorize lines like that. So it was a great cast. We start. We call it our Glee Club, and we invite the children to come and be a part of our Glee Club, which meets Sunday nights at our 6:30 service, and they meet from about 6:30 to 8 o'clock, and we start working towards our Easter musical.
Why so sweet,